Ito ang mensahe ng past person mo, Gemini. Just being near you is intoxicating. We both know I am not the one for you. You were the best thing in my life. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. My life is not as together as it seems. I feel you leaving me behind. Ang mensahe para sa'yo. When I'm patient, I let the universe do for me what I cannot do for myself. Ang mensahe para sa'yo na gawin mo lang palagi na magdasal para magabayan ka dun sa tamang